Hello people and welcome back to Call on DashCam. We feature only the best moments when it comes to traffic and driver's dashcam. All sorts of encounters can be found right here on this channel, and this episode won't disappoint when it comes to that. So without any further ado, make yourselves comfortable, grab your snacks and enjoy the following clips. It can be really difficult to see how many cars are ahead of you near these traffic lights, so you often have to rely on that one person in front of you to brake in a timely fashion, and it can be really tricky. In this situation, the camera got nearly hit by a crazy lady who didn't give way to the right at the roundabout. In this video, we have some bad moves: drivers running red lights, not obeying the speed limit, pulling out without looking, and even having a poor lane discipline. The camera caught it all, and hopefully you'll correct your driving if you're one of those guys. Driver didn't have his eyes on the road the entire time, and he barely managed to stop it before hitting a group of pedestrians who were trying to cross the road.
Whoa, what the hell? What the hell happened? Oh, dude, crash. Crash.
Since the lights tend to be shorter at the left turn lane here, a lot of drivers squeeze through. Two cars run this light, and the cop who just got to the light next to the camera pulled over the last car.
That's really the answer, because Putin is killer. He's a thug. The vision of restoring the Russian Empire.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the fails you witnessed. After all, this channel is there to make you think about all the things that are wrong and put you in the right direction. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button because that would help us a lot. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.